Okay, dear students, so now we have the seventh problem here. Seventh problem, which is the given here: a is equals to 8 and an is equals to 62 and sn is equals to 210. Okay, and we need to find here n and d. We need to find here n and d. Okay, how to find n and d now? So uh, we can okay, you need to find the sum of the nth terms of an AP is given. Okay, we know that sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equals to, what is that, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the one formula we know, and also we know that Sn is equals to what Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, now just look into the data. This both the formulas are same, both are same. So in the first class only we discussed about that sum of n terms and that formulas, everything. So both the formulas are same. But now tell me which formula is suitable now and which formula we can use to find the n and d. Just look into the first formula, first formula. Sn is equals to this one, n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we don't have d and also we don't have what, a. So then it is difficult for us to find Sn, right? Why? Because we don't know two parameters. So just look here, we don't know here how many parameters we know here. We know here already, we know here a. What is a? We know a. What is an? We know an. We know, and only thing and also we know what is Sn. Only thing we don't know here n. So you can find easily here. So just substitute these values in this place. So I told you these formulas are useful in some problems. So this is the problem, we can use this formula. Here Sn is 10, so Sn is 210. So here n by 2 into a value is 8 plus an value is 62. An value is 62. So now cross multiply this. 210 into 2 is 210 into 2. What is 210 into 2? So 210 into 2 is 420. Nice number, no? 420. Okay, so then n into, what is that, 62 plus 8. So 62 plus 8 is 70, isn't? So now 420 divided by 70 is equals to n. 0 get cancelled. N is equals to 42 divided by 7. What is 42 divided by 7? Yes, it is nothing but 6, right? 42 divided by 7 is nothing but 6. Okay, we found n. Okay, now what we need to find? We need to find d. We need to find d here. So now how to find d? So even you can use Sn formula, and this formula is not possible to find, not able to solve the find the n, d. So you can use this formula. So it is become lengthy, or else you can go for this. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Why? Because we know all the parameters. What is an? An is nothing but 62, which is equals to a value is nothing but 8, then plus n value just now we found, that is 6 minus 1 into d value we don't know. So now 62 minus 8, which is equals to 6 minus 1. What is 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1 is 5, so it is 5d. Okay, 6 minus 1 is 5d. So 5 into d. So what is 62 minus 8? It is nothing but 54. So 54, which is equals to 5d. So 54 by, so you can isolate the d. So you can write a 54 by 5, which is equals to d. So d value is 54 by 5. 54 by 5. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, So now today we solved around 4 problems, right? Okay, so copy this all the problems in the classwork. No, only 3 problems we solved, right? Okay, we'll do one thing, we'll solve one more problem. Okay, then after this you copy this in your classworks. Okay. Okay, so now here an which is equals to 4, d is equals to 2, and sn is equals to minus 14, and we need to find n and a. Okay, so now how to find this? So here n is equals to 4 they give, okay, and d is equals to 2 they give, and sn is minus 14. So you need to find n and e. Okay, how to find now? So we know that an and d they give. So an, which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. And do you know what is the advantage in AP? In this AP we have only 4 formulas. Within that 4 formulas only they need to ask the questions. They're not able to go ahead with any other formulas. Okay, so here first formula you can go ahead with that first formula. So an is equals to, so 4. So from this we can find a. So here n is equal to 4, which is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. Now simplify. So 4 is equals to a plus 2n minus what, 2. Now we need to isolate, we need to keep a one side, we need to isolate a aside, or we need to keep the a one side. So what we can do for that? So here we can write here 4 plus 2 minus an is minus 2n minus 2n is equals to a. So here 6 minus 2n is equals to a. 6 minus 2 is equals to a. So here we got what is a, but actually we not got the exact value of a. We got a in this form. A is equals to 6 minus 2n. Call this as equation 1. Okay, now we need to find n. So how to find n? We know here they gave one more hint for us, that is sn. So they gave here sn. So sn, what is sn? Sn is 14. So now we can substitute here sn, which is equals to, we know that formula, sn is equals to what is that, n by 2 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, 2n minus 1 into d. So now what we can do, so we know what is sn, they give minus 14, just substitute this value minus 14, which is equals to n by 2 into 2a, n by 2 into 2a. So 2 into, in place of a you can substitute this, what is that, 6 minus 2n, 6 minus 2n. Okay, and also we know the d value, right? So you can substitute the d value here, that is n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is nothing but 2. D is nothing but 2. So now simplify this. If you simplify this, you will get n value. After getting n value, if you substitute that n value in this a first equation, you will get a value. So it's very simple. Okay, but you need to practice these problems more and more. Okay, so now we have 14 twos are 14 twos are, so 14 into 2 is 28, minus 28 into n. Now simplify here. So 6 twos are 12 minus 2 twos are 4n plus here 2 into n, 2n minus 2. Now simplify this, minus 28, which is equals to n into 12, 12 minus 2, group the like terms, minus 2, minus 4n plus 2n, minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2n. So then minus 28, which is equals to n into 12 minus 2 is, what is 12 minus 2? 10 minus 2n. So minus 28, which is equals to 10n minus 2n. 2n square. 10n minus 2n square. Now again what we should do? We should isolate this. We'll isolate this. We'll isolate the sorry, not isolation. We should make into a form of a quadratic equation. Then it is easy for us to simplify. That is plus 2n square. Instead transpose to the left hand side, that will become plus 2n square. Then minus 10n plus minus 28, which is equals to 0. So here what is common? So 2 is common. You can take out 2 as common, or you can divide by 2. It is easiest one. So if we do that, so we'll get here n square minus 5n minus 14 is equals to 0. Okay, so now you can simplify this. You can simplify. So here n square, so first term and last term, we multiply first and last term, so minus 14 n square, minus 14 n square. Here what is that? 1 n square into 14 n minus 14. So what will get? Minus 14 n square. Now we need to split this in such a way that sum of these two numbers is minus 5n, and product of that number is 14n square. So which is that number? Yes, we can go ahead with 7 2s are 7n and 2n. So 7 2s are 14, but we need minus 5, so I can put minus here. Minus 7 plus 2 is what? Minus 5. So you can simplify here n square minus 7n minus plus 2n minus 14, which is equals to 0. So in these two, what is common? In these two, n is common. So n minus 7 plus 2 is common. N minus 7 is equals to 0. So therefore n minus 7 is one side, and n plus 2 is equals to 1. So therefore which is equal to 0. Now simplify this. N minus 7 is equal to 0, and n plus 2 is equals to 0. If we do this, so here we got that n is equals to 7 plus 7, and n is equals to minus 2. N is equals to minus 2. So n is equals to 7, and n is equals to minus 2. Okay, so now I told that n is the number, the nth term, so n can't be negative. If it n can't be negative, so then what we can do? So you should take n is equal to 7. So therefore n is equal to minus 2 is not able to take. So therefore n value is 7. Okay, and we need to find a also, right? So you can substitute here. A is equals to a is equals to 6 minus 2n we have. So in the n place you can take it as 7. So here a is equals to 6 minus 7 2s are 14. So here a is equals to what is 14 minus 6. So 14 minus 6 is nothing but 8, that is minus 8. So a value is minus 8, and also n value we got is n is equals to 7. N is equal to 7. I hope all of you understood. Yes. So now what you should do, you should copy. So all of you copy this, all the 4 problems in your classwork. Okay, and understand and practice the same problems again. Okay, this seems to be little lengthy. Please practice these same problems in your rough book or even in the homework, no problem. Okay, so and copy this first in the classwork. Afterwards you practice these problems in the homework or in the rough book. Okay, so this is the homework for you today. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, take care, have a nice day.